You know what time it is? Legendary. And I brought some of my friends with me. Yeah. Oh, baby. Girl, I'm way too drunk. I just don't care at all. I just hope you pick up when it's 2 or 3.
And today I'm going to be doing this collaboration. It's going to be a collaboration with Originalkeli. She's a YouTuber. She does makeup and so forth. She's also Jamaican, so you know, we're repping. So we're going to be doing this spring inspired collaboration. Basically what we're going to be doing for one of our tutorials, we're going to be doing a soft glam, colorful glam, so inspired by tulips. So we're going to be using the same colors that the green, the yellow, the pink, the purples, you know, the colors of the tulips to create this look, to create a series of looks, because we're going to have another, you know, tutorial with her doing the colorful glam and then me doing the softer looking glam. So for the first tutorial, she's going to be doing the softer looking glam and I'm going to be doing, as you can see, the colorful glam. So guys, go and check out Originalkeli's page. Go and like, go and subscribe and leave your feedback. I will leave her information in the description bar or box or section, you know what it is. Or I'll leave like I will attach a card with her channel information so you can go ahead and check her out and tell us what you think of what we're doing. This is a spring inspired makeup, and because it's spring, you know, we want to enjoy the fresh, the coolness, the colors, the, you know, everything that comes with spring. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would definitely appreciate it. And don't be shy to subscribe, guys. Don't be shy to like. I would so appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing, we're going to be setting our eyeshadow base, and I'm using my Aliexpress Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Then I'm going to use my Black Opal Invisible Powder to just set the concealer so that we can have it nice and, you know, yeah, nice base. So now I'm going to go in with this shade. It is Taza from the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm just going to add that across my lid and use that as my transition shade. Okay, so basically what I'm doing, I'm adding this pink, this neon pink shade from the Zulu palette, and I'm just gonna add that so that you can, you know, allow the colors to pop. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with this black shade and I'm using my Sylyne brush. This is from the 12-piece Sylyne brush set. I'm using that to take the black shade into my crease, and we're taking that from the outer V into the crease so that everything can be nice and defined. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going in with Zobo from the Masquerade palette, and I'm using that now to just that harsh looking black. We don't want it to be so obvious, so I'm just using the purplish shade. It's a purplish shade to just soften that darker color. Then I'm going in with my brush now, clean brush, to just blend out the edges so it's nice and blended in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this nude shade from the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm using that now to just blend out the shadows so that the transition is looking nice and, you know, blended. So that's what I'm doing right now above my or below my brow bone, just blending everything so that my transition color and my brow bone is, like, you know, in unison. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna be using this orange shade from the Zulu palette, and I'm adding that above that darker shade that I use to define my crease, and I'm just adding that now to just give everything a nice blended effect. So that's basically what we're doing. We're just trying to blend the colors so that everything is nice and the transition colors are, you know, separated, and the darker colors, you know, get everything nice and blended eyeshadow look. So now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm gonna be using that now to create this halo looking thingy that you're seeing on my eyes or on my face, and we're just creating that with the LA Girls Pro Concealer. Okay, so as soon as the concealer is dry, I went in with the Nubia, and this is a very shimmery gold shade. I really love it. It's super pigmented, very nice guys, and it's perfect for this halo thing that I was going for. So then guys, I decided to go in with this green from this neon looking green from the same Zulu palette, and I was basically just trying out something, but it was like a fail. So I did it with the first eye, so, you know, we have to repeat the same things. Even if you make a mistake with one of your eyes, I had to repeat the same step on this eye so that, you know, the color payoff can look the same. So I just went in with this neon green shade, and I added that to the outer corner and also to the inner corners of my eyes. And then I went in with this color, the Zobo from the Masquerade palette, and I decided to go with that color because we're trying to keep, you know, with the whole tulip vibe, and, you know, we have the yellow, purplish, orange tulips, pink tulips, and different colors. So I decided to go in with this shade now because it was, you know, really looking nice for me, like, yeah. So I'm just using this brush now, the same brush that we used to add the Nubia, the golden shade, and I'm just trying to, you know, fade out that eyeshadow so everything can look nice and blended in, and, you know, you're not seeing such a harsh line. Then guys, I went in with the orange shade from the Zulu palette, and I just added that on top of the Nubia, that golden shade, to give me this outcome, as you can see. So now guys, I kind of sped up this part of the video. I'm going in with Zobo at my lower lash line, and I'm just adding that now, and I'm just going to add a Zakia from the Magic Palette below so it can give off this nice transition. Okay guys, so I went in with Nubia and I just tried to replicate everything that was happening at the top of my my eyelid, and we're trying to do that at the bottom, but we're not gonna go over the top, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to add a little bit so we can have that nice, you know, balanced eye look. So yeah, and I'm gonna be looking all crazy soon, but you know what I'm saying, this is our look. Yeah. Okay guys, as you can see, looking all crazy. I blended out everything. The powder, I'm gonna go in with my mascara and my lashes and so forth. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did whatever. My foundation and everything, and I did a little wing line thingy off camera, and I added my lashes and I added lip gloss before I even, you know, sweep away all the powder. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the powder. Here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go in with this brush now, just kind of bring back a little color because we don't want it to be super white. So as you can see, I'm using my pressed powder to just bring back some warmth to my face. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of highlighter. Actually, what I want to do, I want to add some of my what's this called again? I wanted to add some of my what's this called again? My bronzer, to just add some warmth to my cheek right here. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be adding my e.l.f. baked highlighter. I'm gonna be using this sponge because I'm not really looking for, oh craps, oh my gosh, I think it broke. I kind of want this natural kind of look because we already have a lot of, you know, colors. So I'm just gonna add a little right here, just a touch, tap it right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little down my nose. So guys, this is my finished look. I hope you love the look. I really enjoyed, you know, creating this look. And yeah, I kind of tried the whole, you know, Instagram halo thingy going on. Yeah, and this is what I came up with. I hope I did a good job. Just tell me what you think in the comment section. I would definitely appreciate it. And yeah guys, this is my finished look. I'm sorry that I didn't really show everything, especially the eyes, the liner and so forth, or the lashes are, but you know what I'm saying, the eye look was there. So I hope you enjoyed the look. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would definitely appreciate it.